Apple has introduced its latest AI feature, which is causing global waves. It's made a few AI announcements in the past, but did not garner the same level of interest as the latest ones, which have stunned tech enthusiasts. Let's explore the reasons behind the global fascination with cutting-edge technology and the amazing capabilities of artificial intelligence. Intelligent input, which is the keyboard. They just improved iPhone autocorrect. So as you all know how autocorrect works, you type in one word and it predicts the next word. So what Apple has done is they had upgraded autocorrect to the point where it uses machine learning. So before, Apple used an archy old version to predict text. But now it uses the transformer language model, which is the same technology underpinning ChatGPT. It will even improve by learning how the user texts and types. The new autocorrect capability is especially impressive because it runs on the iPhone, whereas models like ChatGPT require hundreds of expensive GPUs working in unison. Another small announcement was the introduction of Apple's new journal feature, which allows you to write down your journals but is powered by on-device AI, so your iPhone can create personalized moments to inspire your writing by giving suggestions curated from the information on your iPhone, such as your photos, location, music, workouts, and more. And you also have control over what suggestions they can pull from your phone. So throughout the conference, Apple did not mention AI because Apple does not like the term artificial intelligence. Instead, it prefers the more academic word machine learning, or simply refers to the function that the technology enables. Another feature that gained more popularity was the Quartz Health Coaching Service AI, and Apple Watch data to help users improve their overall health and wellness. According to sources familiar with the project, this new service offers personalized coaching programs tailored to each user's need based on their exercise habit, eating partners, and sleep quality. Quartz will use AI algorithms to analyze data collected from the Apple Watch to give personalized wellness suggestions to users. This will help users to eat healthier, exercise more, and get better sleep. And this is an amazing feature as it will impact the user's health and well-being. It'll help us stay fit, and we don't need to find another personal trainer. Everything is on our phones. Are you excited about this feature? They also stated that they are developing a new technique for tracking emotions. This new technology will utilize artificial intelligence to analyze data clicks from the Apple Watch, like heart rate variability and skin temperatures, and to identify changes in a user's emotional state. This will benefit people suffering from disorders such as anxiety or depression, since it will allow them to observe changes in their emotional state over time and provide insights in potential triggers or trends. Is this all Apple has to offer? As none of these initiatives sound or appear to be very ambitious in comparison to some of its competitors. Is Apple being very cautious with the steps they take, as they have been cautious about the new technologies, as well as with its reputation, as they always focus on quality and user experience over raw technological power, which has been a major factor in the success of its products over the years? What are your thoughts on this? Should Apple's entry into AI race be underestimated? Apple has always had the talent to make significant contributions to the field. Moreover, Apple has a unique advantage of being widely used in the healthcare industry, where its products like the Apple Watch are widely used. In contrast, Microsoft's recent investment in ChatGPT with OpenAI and Google's efforts with Project Magi and the 540 billion parameters large language model called Palm, which is integrated into actual robots, are really impressive as they demonstrate us the expansion of AI in many applications. Each company brings its unique strengths and perspectives. Seeing companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Google investing heavily in AI and research development is amazing. As everyone knows, Siri has been a key component of Apple's lineup for over a decade. She was one of the first well-known voice assistants on the market. But with serious competition from other AI-powered voice assistants such as Amazon's Alexa and Google's voice assistant, which have advanced quickly, Apple must keep up with the competition. One way to do this is implement advanced algorithms, such as those used in ChatGPT and other generative AI models. Another way to improve Siri's natural way of language processing capability is an important component in any voice assistant system, as it could be more accurate and responsive, and it will be beneficial in noisier, crowded environments. It is important as Apple can expand Siri's basic task settings to more advanced AI technologies such as computer vision and natural language understanding. And with all this, Siri can be more versatile and powerful voice assistant capable of handling a wide variety of tasks and queries. These days, self-driving automobiles have achieved great success. Self-driving cars, incredible performance, and dependability have benefited businesses like Apple, as their other AI venture is Project Titan. It was Apple's entry into the autonomous vehicle space, and it highlights the importance of AI in the automotive industry. The details of Apple's secretive Project Titan is heavily investing in AI technologies in self-driving cars. With superior performance, improved safety, user-friendly, and easy-to-understand AI systems, Apple can reach their self-driving cars to a broader audience, and they can help everyone to understand and experience more about the self-driving car technology. Although the competition in this field is very intense, Apple has to always be ahead by investing in AI technology and fighting against companies such as Tesla. This also means they must develop advanced AI algorithms for object detection, route optimization, and real-time decision-making. They have to always keep up their game by exploring new AI-powered features that can enhance the overall driving experience. And they should also focus on cutting-edge technology to compete with other companies if they want the best self-driving cars. Do you think Apple is doing its best to keep up their game? Over the years, Apple has been taking up a range of AI companies, intending to improve and enhance their AI and improve the machine learning capabilities of its products and services. There's a huge list of companies Apple's acquired. Emotion, a startup that uses AI technology to read people's emotions by analyzing facial expressions. And Turi, a small Seattle-based startup specializing in machine learning and artificial intelligence. Real Face cyber technology startup whose facial recognition can be used to authenticate users. AI Music, which uses AI to generate personalized soundtracks and adaptive music. Music Wave One is a California-based startup that was developing an AI algorithm for video compression, and many, many more. Apple has been investing in such companies to stay at the forefront of the AI race and to always be the first to make new innovations in the technology industry. As has frequently been the case throughout Apple's history, though one more thing introduced after the event, Apple Vision Pro, was the event's headliner. The new augmented reality headset, which looks like large ski goggles worn over the user's eyes, enable users to see images superimposed on their real-world vision. The new headset, which Apple calls its first spatial computing device, won't be available until early 2024 and has a stunning beginning price of $3,499. It also has a long list of amazing functions. These support many of Apple's current mobile apps, and Mac computer interfaces can even be moved into floating virtual windows that float in midair. Persona, a significant advancement demonstrated by Apple on the Vision Pro, largely relies on ML. This feature quickly creates a lifelike interactive digital doppelganger by scanning the user's face using built-in cameras. In this way, when the user dons a gadget and participates in a FaceTime chat or other video conference, a digital twin substitutes for them within the bulky helmet, mapping their expressions and actions in real time. According to Apple, the Persona is a digital representation of the wearer and was created using Apple's most cutting-edge ML techniques. The world is in awe of this new technology, which has raised the bar for what we previously believed was achievable in artificial intelligence. Apple's AI feature has raised the bar for human-machine connection, prompting us to speculate about the future's amazing developments. After this revolutionary presentation, it's reasonable to state that the world will never be the same again. Let us know your views, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.